Hey guys, today in this video we go through 5 actionable verb, and in this video we are talking about how to make sentence with 5 reasonable verb. And why I actually making this kind of video, because when you make some sentence you don't get this kind of verb. I think in where you set up this verb when you make some sentence. No worry, let's get started. Well, now I take this paper. You see, this is a paper and I use one verb is take. So you see the paper and I use another one verb see. So this is a paper and I drop this paper in my hand, I think another hand, and then again drop this paper in my another hand. This is a 3 number verb. And number 4, what actually mean by number 4? So let's get started. Number 1, I crumble this paper. Crumble, number 1 verb, crumble. I crumble this paper. Every time in your school or in your college or university, sometimes you crumble your paper. That's it. And number 2, what is this? Number 2, now I will throw this paper. I think sometimes you throw some mango, jackfruit, paper or pen to your friend. Yes, when you throw this thing in your friend, it calls throw. Well, you throw this paper, right? Now number 3 verb, it's very important. I think I catch the paper. Yes, I catch the paper. Yeah. And number 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, let's get started. I tore this paper. I tore this paper. That's it. Hey buddy, your feels boring? Now I write on this paper something. So this is the last number verb. So this 5 actionable verb, when you use in your every single day life, you can make more sentence and you can speak English frankly and fluently. What if I told you one thing, when you are start your journey as a beginner, if you want to speak in English, then verb is the most important thing that can make you big sentence, that can make you more confidential person, how you can speak in English, and that is the thing. So if you want this kind of video, this kind of stuff in every single day, that how we can make sentence, how we can speak in English like you, and yeah, that also influence you and me, then obviously leave a comment in my comment section below. I'm waiting for you. And you know that in every single day I am also practicing my English, and what actually I am gathering, I think I have experience while practicing English, writing English, speaking English, that's truly I share in my social media, in YouTube, Facebook or LinkedIn. So be happy, be the best version of yourself in 2025. Or if you have any confusion, if you have any question correlated speaking English, improving English, then I'm here to help you. See you next one. That's all from me in today's video. Last but not least, by the ending of my video, again I say to you, number 1 verb is crumble. Yes, this is a crumble. That means crumble. And number 2 is throw. Let's see, I throw the paper, right? And number 3 is case. I think case. So what's the meaning of actually case? Okay, so I throw the paper, then I case. This is a case. And number 4, what is this? Number 4. Number 4 is I tore the paper. Yes, I tore or tear. I think tore is verb 2% or tr tore. That's actually means. And number 5. Number 5 is I write something on this paper. Got it? So I think you understand. And if you want this kind of video more, like it, share it, and be happy. Love you, everyone.